Welcome to the Live Big, Live Full, Live Authentic Daily Affirmation Podcast. I am Lamondre Pugh, and I am honored to share this space with you. This episode is brought to you by the 21-Day Authentic Leadership Reset. More information is coming soon, so stay tuned to find out how you can be a part of this transformational experience. This week's theme is strength and stillness, because renewal comes when we allow ourselves to pause. So take a deep breath and let's begin. Repeat after me. I honor rest as a source of renewal. Rest restores my strength. Rest prepares me for growth. Let's repeat that again. I honor rest as a source of renewal. Rest restores my strength. Rest prepares me for growth. Now, inhale rest. Hold it and exhale exhaustion. Inhale peace. Hold it and exhale stress. Inhale renewal. Hold it and exhale busyness. Now picture yourself lying in a field under a quiet sky. The world around you slows down. Your body feels lighter. Your mind unclutters. Your spirit softens. You realize rest is not a waste of time. It is an act of strength and care that prepares you to rise again. Let's repeat that affirmation one more time together. I honor rest as a source of renewal. Rest restores my strength. Rest prepares me for growth. Thank you for joining me today. If this episode reminded you to honor rest as part of your growth, share it with someone who needs that same encouragement. Visit liveauthenticdaily.com for more empowering insights on living authentically and download your free guide, The Authentic Living Breakthrough. And remember, your life matters, your voice has power, and the world needs the authentic you. So until tomorrow, live big, live full, live authentic.